Hello friends, in this video we will see noun plurals in special cases. Generally we know one and many, a boy, boys, a girl, girls, a teacher, teachers. But in many special cases the noun plurals are different. And what are the special cases? So we will see in this video. Singular uncountable nouns ending with s or ics. Some words we look and we feel that these words are the plurals, but these words are not plurals. These words are used as a singular and words are uncountable nouns. For example, news, billiards, drafts, measles, physics, athletics, mathematics. So whenever we read or use these words, we can use these words as a singular uncountable noun. No singular form. These words are used in a plural form as a singular. For example, glasses, jeans, pants, pyjamas, scissors, shorts, spectacles, tights, trousers, a pair of jeans. What do you find in these words? Yes, these words, they have pairs. For example, scissors, it has two parts. Pyjamas, it has two legs. Pants also two legs. So these words have no singular form. These words used as a plural in the language. Again, these words you will find no singular forms. We use these words as a plural. Belongings, cattle, customs, contents, clothes, congratulations, earnings, funds, goods, groceries, manners, middle ages, odds, police, premises, regards, remains, reaches. Again, these words are used in a plural form. For example, the Indian means the Indian people. The Spanish means the Spanish people. The British means British people. These words are used as a plural form and they don't have a singular form in English language. These words are used as a singular as well as plural. Their singular and plural form are same. For example, sheep, deer, fish. You might have read or heard fishes, but generally we use fish. If we use fishes, that time its purpose is different. Usually we use fish. Aircrafts, offspring, barracks, crossroads, headquarters, means, series, species, works. Works means factory, media and data. These words are used as a singular as well as plural in spoken and a written language. Plural without yes after nouns: 100, 1000, million, dozen. If these words don't have yes after the word, but we use as a plural. For example, 200 years, 5,000 meters, $100, hundreds of times. Irregular plurals. Generally, we suffix yes or es to make a plural form, but these are irregular plural form. For example, child, children, man, men, woman, women, person, people. Sometimes we use persons, but generally most of the time we use people. Penny, pens, tooth, teeth, goose, geese, foot, feet, mouse, mice, louse, lice, ox, oxen, quiz, quizzes. These are the irregular plural form of nouns. Irregular forms ending with F and its plural form is different from the others. Calf, calves, life, lives, self, selves, loaf, loaves, self, selves, thief, thieves, hoof, whose, knife, knives, wife, wives, leaf, leaves. These are the irregular forms ending with F. Plurals with apostrophes. We use apostrophes in a different form, but here we use apostrophe for plurals. PCs means many PCs. 1960s means in that particular year. 20s, 30s, when we talk about the age, 20s, 30s, 40s, these apostrophe and these apostrophes are used for plural forms.